Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to talk with you about Arizona river rock. River rock can be a really nice choice for both pathways and also if you have areas where you're struggling getting grass to grow or having plants grow or it's really narrow and you're not quite sure what to do with it. Uh, River rock can be a nice choice. This particular one is Arizona river rock. It has a pretty color. It gives a really nice contrast to this Oklahoma flagstone. And then we have the chopstone on either side. So all of that complements each other nicely. And then as I said, if you have a tight area or narrow area where you're not quite sure you want to put in plants, or maybe it's a little bit shaded, this has a really nice look and works really well in these tight areas. You can also put in plants in here as well to use this as a rock mulch, or as you can see, this Arizona river rock really looks nice just on its own. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Ken with Village Green, growing plants, growing people, growing relationships, and growing trust.